Another late night, another date with the S14. People see the glamour shots, the clean builds under the lights, but they don't see this. They don't see the hours spent in a dim storage unit, chasing down that one gremlin. Last weekend's misfire? Not on my watch. Every bolt tightened, every fluid checked. This 2JZ is hungry, and I'm here to make sure she eats. This isn't just a car. It's a collection of late nights, busted knuckles, and hard-earned lessons. Okay, everything looks good. Let's see if she agrees. The sound of that engine turning over? That's the real reward. Idle is perfect. AFRs are stable. We're ready. Just got the text. The meat's on. Time to load up and roll out. We don't build these cars to keep them locked away in a garage. This is what it's all for. Time to show them what dedication and a little late-night hustle really looks like. Let's go.